would you say the difference between a good tech and a great tech are that you've seen?
I'll tell you, a great tech is a guy that cares in everything he does, from just the way he racks the car up to if he adjusts the seat or turns the radio, that it's all back how it was when the customer got in the car. There's those little differences. If you notice something that's wrong, putting a new bolt in a license plate bracket, let the customer know that you cared enough to do that, and making sure you document what you do. The little things that we do, a lot of times customers don't even notice. But if a tech shares every little detail of what he did, it'll earn some customers. You've got to be a well-versed mechanic to work in a NAPA Auto Care Center, because you work on all makes and models. And on top of that, we've got fleet customers that have heavy-duty vehicles. We've got Union Pacific Railroad. They're jumping them things over railroad tracks. The ASE certifications, the NAPA Apprentice Program gives you the opportunity to get your ASEs, to be more versed, to be more educated, and you have to be to work at a NAPA Auto Care Center. So we work hard that they know to not put a greasy fingerprint on the car, to make sure they clean things up, to do their inspections, to do their visual inspections, and be able to let the customers know things they find. And it brings the customers back, and it helps the tech move forward.